Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we are going to be doing some improvising using phrases. Let's review what is a phrase. A phrase is a short but complete musical sentence or idea that has a beginning, middle, and an end. For example, in the song I Have a Dog, this is a single phrase. At the end of each phrase, there is what's called a cadence, a point of momentary relaxation or rest. Let's hear the first phrase of Ode to Joy and see if you can hear where the cadence is. Hear how at the end it has that. And there's that point where we feel like we've gotten to the end of our musical sentence or phrase. It's kind of like putting on a period at the end of a sentence. It lets us know, hey, we've hit an arrival point. We've completed that thought. So let's come to the piano and practice improvising using phrases. Let's place the right hand in the A major pentascale. Now, when we're improvising a phrase, you want to think of saying a short idea that has a clear beginning, middle, and end. For example, this could be a phrase. And you notice when I got to that last note, I held it out as if to say, now we're coming to a place of rest. Here's another phrase you could do. Or that was a longer phrase, but you could still hear that it had a clear beginning, middle, and end. Today we're going to try to improvise phrases that seem to ask a question and then give an answer. For example, this could be a question phrase. And then the answer could be this. You notice how the answer ended on do, because if you end on do, it will have a feeling of finality. If you end on a note other than do, it will almost sound like a question. Here's another example using A minor. So notice I've moved my finger 3 down to C natural. That was my question phrase. Now here's the answer. Again, you notice by ending on do, it sounds more final, like it's the answer to the question. Now, on your own, I'd like you to try improvising some phrases using the A major or the A minor pentascale. The first phrase should end on a note other than do, and then your answer phrase will end on do. Great job today learning about phrases and cadences and how you can improvise your own phrases in A major or minor pentascales. You can try improvising phrases in any other position we've learned too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey Scuba, want to do a game? Sure. What is it? Well, I'll make up a musical question on the piano and you try and figure out the answer. It'll be kind of like a riddle. Well, sounds great. Let's do it. All right, here I go. The question that I have for you is how and why the sky is blue. Oh, tricky. I think I got it. Tiny specks of dust up in the sky, they scatter blue light to your eye. Oh, very nice. Oh, thank you. Now here's one for you. What has hands but cannot clap? It cannot snap or even tap. This is tricky, my brain's a block. Now I've got it, it's a clock. Oh, nice job. Thank you.